Okay, hi, good morning, afternoon, evening, everywhere. So we are on week X, what, number 5? 6, wow, time flies, of the Foundations class on Sustainable Development Practice. This is Shiv Someshwar from Columbia University. Today we're going to have a topic of extreme interest, of topical interest, couldn't be more topical, between the framing of the SDGs and COP21 that's coming up in a matter of a few weeks. Today's topic is climate change, mitigation, especially the focus on how do you reduce carbon intensity, decouple it from energy, how to get all the countries following principles of UNFCCC of common but differentiated on board. And I think we've made a lot of tremendous progress. But today we are having the ideal person joining us from Paris, Emmanuel Guerin, formerly of the Earth Institute, SDSN. He's now has been recalled. Should I say recalled, Emmanuel?
Reclaimed.
By his government. Yes. He works very closely with Professor Laurence Toubiana. And for many years, he was a director of energy and climate change at the French Institute for Sustainable Development, also called IDRI. And now he is in leading kind of the good fight on how to kind of get countries to come in with meaningful INDCs. And for the longest time, he's also been working with UNFCCC. So we're extremely pleased to have Emmanuel come in today from Paris. And Emmanuel, over to you. And Emmanuel will speak for maybe 35-40 minutes, and then he'll have some time for questions. And I believe there is some issue with Google Hangout, the questions popping up on his laptop. So we'll have Shweta from here post it for him, so he'll see it on Google Chat, and he will be answering them. Okay? So over to you, Emmanuel. Thank you again.
Thank you very much, Shiv, and thank you very much to other colleagues. It's a great pleasure for me to be with you today and to give you this lecture on energy and climate change, and to put that into the framework of the newly adopted Sustainable Development Goals. So before I start, let me try and screen share with you the slides that I prepared for this presentation. Let me check if we can do that. Okay, can you confirm that you can see the presentation on your screen? Okay, very good. Because Shiv said I am now the special advisor to the representative of the French government for COP21, Laurence Toubiana, that many of you know. So during this presentation, I'll be telling you mainly about the science and the economics of climate change and energy, but of course I stand ready during the questions to answer any question you might have on the politics of climate change and the politics of the international negotiations on climate change, because this is of course what I am deeply engaged into these days. So just to frame the issue at stake during this lecture, as I said, I'm going to do a slightly different presentation compared to what I am used to do, because I thought that it would be a good idea to put that into the framework of the newly adopted Sustainable Development Goals. And so here on this slide you just have a number of them, 4 of them, which I think are the most relevant for the discussion we'll be having together today. This is not, of course, to exclude the others, but these 4 I thought were especially relevant for...
Sorry, Emmanuel, you're still on the first slide. Do you want to go to the second one?
Yes. I have the second slide in front of me, but so I don't know if... do you have a slide in front of you that says framing the issue at stake 1 on 2? that starts with SDG 13. This is what I have in front of me.
We're still on the title slide.
Okay, so
okay, now we have it. Yep.
Do you want to take control over the slides, or is that okay?
No, I think now it's working.
Okay, so SDG number 13 is to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. I'll say in a few moments what is the more specific quantitative goal that we have to limit the temperature increase in the climate negotiations. But a number of other SDGs, in particular 7, 8, and 9, are especially relevant for a discussion on climate change, and in particular climate change mitigation. The SDG 7 to ensure the access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern form of energy for all. The SDG number 8, promote sustained
Emmanuel?
Did he hit the mute there?
Did you hit the mute? Oh, it's still there. Okay, let me send an email.
Hi, Emmanuel, you may have hit the mute. We don't hear you. Oh, okay, he got dropped. Okay, should I stop the broadcast? No. No? Okay, sorry, folks. The rest of you in other parts of the world, our lead lecturer will be coming on momentarily. I love the term momentarily because that's what we always hear when a flight is delayed and you have no idea how long it's going to take. It may take 1 minute or it may take an hour, but momentarily has the sense that it may happen at any time. So you guys got to be strapped in. Okay, so sorry again. Let me see if I can just call him. Sorry. Today is all serious business. Let's see. I'll just try to call him. Did he by any chance send you this? Okay, sorry folks, the lead lecture, for those of you who just come on now, Emmanuel Guerin is trying to come in from Paris. They're having some technical transatlantic glitches, so hang on there. Folks, sorry again. We seem to be having some deep internet problems. I think from the Paris end, we will give it a few more minutes. Okay, so sorry. Thank you for hanging in there. Okay, folks, no progress. So what we're proposing to do is we'll have Emmanuel record his talk, and we'll put it up on the web in the coming days. So we don't want to keep you hanging in there because we're not been able to reach. I think their internet is down in wherever he is in Paris. So really sorry about this. One of the hazards of globalization. So we'll try to have it in the coming days, and then any questions you have, please do send it to our TAs for the Global Classroom, and we'll try to have them answered to the best of our abilities. I know that Emmanuel is really looking forward to this lecture and interacting with the students from all over the world. So really sorry about this, but I don't want to hold you up any longer. So goodbye and good luck. And we will be back next week for the next round of our Global Classroom. Okay, bye-bye.